Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. The carrying case for the F1SP. In other words, the Zoom field recorder. So why am I unboxing this? Because this is essential to take care of that wonderful device. In this box, we have the carrying case. Now it's packaged in a nice plastic container, as you see, or plastic wrap. Let's see here. Try to open this thing up. All right. It's a semi-hard case. The zippers, oh, nice and tight. Of course, brand new, it's a little hard to open up. Let's see here. And when you open it, you see, dun, 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 ooh, pretty blue on the inside. It has a couple straps. It has a, kind of like a formed cloth. Never ran into that before. Sections for the different parts of the Zoom field recorder. So just open this thing up, unstrap, unstrap. Alrighty, so there we have it. Now let's see if we can put all the pieces of the field recorder. Oh, by the way, I will have a link below to the unboxing that I did for that as well. So on the, there we go. So on this piece, which of course is the boom mic, that should fit right in there, nice and snug. Ooh, and it does. Nicely done. Well done, Zoom. Okay, so that fits right in there. We have the Zoom F1SP itself. And I do have the belt clip on it, so let's see if that fits. Ooh, it does. Pretty good in there too. Let's see. The hot shoe adapter. That goes right in there. That fits. All right, so what do we do with the lavalier microphone? Let's see. Oh, it has a couple pockets on the side here. It also has a nice little extra pocket. So let's go ahead and see if we can fit the lavalier microphone on. Go ahead and lightly twist it up, because we don't want to bend any wires here. That would be a bad thing. So we'll go ahead and stick that in here, in the one pocket. That looks pretty good. And then we have a cable here that is a TRS to TRS. What that normally does is, if I have an external audio source, I can actually put this into, say, the Osmo Pocket on the bottom, where it has the audio adapter. I can plug that in there. And then this, on the bottom, you have the headphone out. So that should be able to go out of the F1 field recorder and right into the bottom of the Osmo Pocket. At least that's the theory. So we're going to try to find a place to put this, and I think that's be right at the next pocket right there. So I have a whole other pocket that I can play with. Nice. Let's go ahead and put the straps down. And there you have it. They are in there nice and tight. I like that. Yep, won't fall out or nothing. All right, so that was a quick review of the Zoom carrying case for the Zoom F1 SP field recorder. Oh, and it also has a strap. Look at that. All right, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell while you're at it. And thank you, and as always, have a great day.